Okay, so now I'm ready to put the easy film, our emulsion, on my screen here. What I need for this is my transparency. I need some paper towels, a bottle of water, and a squeegee that says for emulsion only. We do not use a squeegee with ink. Also, I need my easy film. What I'm going to do is cut a piece of easy film that's fit for my design. So I might have a scrap that works. If not, I got to cut a new one. So let's look at the scraps. We want to have our easy film be a little bit bigger than our design. So that scrap will not work. And I doubt my other ones will as well. So I'm going to take a full piece of the easy film. Keep in mind this stuff is light sensitive. We do not want it out in the light very long. These black bags are light proof bags. So I need to grab scissors. So I'm going to cut this a little bit bigger than my area. You can see my design through the pink. So I'm going to cut it a little bit bigger than my design. Next, I'm going to take my scraps and put them back in the light-proof box. Next, we're looking at the easy film. Notice there are two different shades of color here. There's this dark pink and there's a lighter pink. We want to work with the dark pink facing up. I'm going to take the easy film and put it underneath my screen with that dark side facing up. I want to have the easy film not towards the top of the screen, not towards the bottom of the screen, not in the center, but kind of halfway in between the top and the center. Think about your shirts, your hoodies that you wear. They're going to have the design a little bit below the collar. So we want to have our design a little bit below the top part of our frame. So when I got that there, I got to make sure, okay, that's going to fit nicely. That'll be perfect. So I take my water bottle and I hose down the easy film. You already see the film will start to stick. It became dark pink. I'm going to take the squeegee, angle it, and pull it towards myself. If I see spots where it's not going, like this top corner looks a little light, so does here, I'm just going to respray. It's okay, we can respray as much as we need. So I'm going to bring it down. So now my film is stuck there. I'm going to take the paper towels. Whoop. Rip off some paper towels and kind of pat this thing a little dry. Doesn't have to be completely dry. I'm going to turn it around, pat down the other side. Then I'm going to turn around and put it in my light-proof cabinet, which is right here behind us. So I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to angle it down a little bit, put it in there, close it up, make sure it's closed, and that cabinet will be light-proof for the next day. We'll let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow we will be able to continue with our next step. So right now I got to go back to my mess I left on this table, wipe it up so it's nice and clean, and wipe off the squeegee as well. I will put my transparency back in one of the drawers on the other side of the room here. We have 2 drawers for period 1, 2 drawers for period 2, 2 for period 3. So I'm just going to say I'm part of period 3. Throw my stuff in the drawer, let it sit overnight, and then I'm ready for the next step tomorrow.